Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear student? I think you are well in your home. আমার প্রাণপ্রিয় ছাত্র ছাত্রী, আশা করি তোমরা ভালো আছো। আমি তোমাদের আরেকটি ক্লাস, আমরা যে সিরিজ ক্লাস অফ ট্রান্সফরমেশন সেন্টেন্স এর ক্লাস নিয়েছিলাম, ক্লাস 8 to 9, 10 or intermediate also. তো এই ক্লাসটির আজকে আমি আরেকটি আইটেম অফ গ্রামাটিক্যাল টপিকস থেকে আমি শুরু করছি। ওকে, ফার্স্ট অফ অল ওয়েলকাম অল অফ ইউ, অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ মাই আইডেন্টিটি অ্যান্ড English second paper, class 8 to 10. You will have to do it from class 11 also. Okay, what do you see in the picture? This is the most beautiful waterfall in the world. Okay, what kind of sentence is it? Can you guess what kind of sentence it is? Okay, there is another sentence. Okay, no other waterfall in the world is as beautiful as this. Okay, can you guess what is the sentence related to? Okay, here is also another picture, and also there is a sentence. He is one of the tallest man in the world. Okay, what is the sentence related to? The answer of the sentence is very few men in the world are as tall as he. Can you guess what is the sentences are related to? Yes. What is our topics today? What will be our topics today? Can you guess? Yes, it is transformation of sentence and from superlative to positive degree. So today our topic is degree, which is the part of transformation of sentence. Okay, and today we will learn about superlative to positive. Okay, first of all, our learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify superlative degree, identify the structure of changing superlative into positive, and change superlative positive degrees. Okay, first of all, now how to change superlative into positive? How to change it? Can you tell me? Here is a structure to change the superlative degree into positive. Okay, write it very carefully. First of all, you will have to no other or portion after superlative degree. No other, and then portion after superlative degree, and then verb. The verb on that sentence, you will have to write it, and after that you will have to write so or as, if what you like it. And after the as, you will have to write positive form of the adjective. From the superlative degree, superlative degree, you will have to change the superlative degree into positive, and then you will have to write another as. After that you will have to write the subject, first subject, and word before verb. Okay, here is a sentence. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Okay, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. It is a superlative sentence. You will have to change it into positive. Okay, here are some parts. First of all, the subject, verb, the superlative degree or adjective, and the portion after superlative degree. Okay, here are 4 parts in this sentence. If you want to change it into positive, you will have to write in this way, in this direction. Okay, because it has the superlative degree takes here only the. If the superlative degree or the adjective takes the, you will have to change it according to this structure. Okay. First of all, I will have to write no other, and then portion after superlative degree, portion after superlative degree, city in Bangladesh. And then you will have to write a verb. What is the verb? Verb is. Okay, then you will have to write so or as. So we will write it any one of these. And then you will have to write the portion after positive form of the superlative degree. Big. Here is the biggest, and it will change into big. And then you will have to write as, and then the subject, the first subject, or before the word verb, Dhaka. So no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. Okay, I think you have understood it very carefully. If you write it according to this instruction, you will do it very easily. Okay, we will see something another here. Change the following sentence into positive degree. Okay, first of all, you will have to notice it. If there is of any or of all in the superlative degree, it is omitted while changing into a positive. While you will change it into positive, this word will be eliminated. Okay, so you can see a picture here, and the picture is related. Mother is the best gift of Allah. Mother is the best gift of Allah. So if you change it, you will have to, first of all, you will have to write no other, and then portion after the superlative form. So you will have to write no other gift of Allah, then verb is, as, best will be changed into good, is as good as mother. Okay, you can you write it, and can you change it? Try it again. Okay, try it. I will see you in later. Okay, try to change it. And in the sentence number 2, she should be the most respected person in the world. Okay, so no other no other person in the world should be as respected as she. Okay, and in the sentence number 3, she is the finest guide of all. She's the finest guide of all. So you will have to change it into positive like this. First of all, you will have to write no other guide of all. Guide of all will be eliminated. So no other guide is as fine as she. Okay, so I think you will, if you try, you will change it very easily. Okay, we will go to the another rules or another structure here. How to change superlative with one of them into positive. If your sentence has the word before superlative degree, one of them. If on the sentence has one of the, you will have to change it like this. First of all, you will have to write very few, and then portion after superlative degree, and then you will have to write the verb are or were. The verb will be changed into a plural. Okay, the verb will be a plural form. So, and then as or so, and then positive form of the adjective, and then again as, and after that you will have to write the subject. Okay, try it to change. Okay, Dhaka is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh, one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. So here are some parts also. Dhaka subject is, here is verb, and biggest is the superlative form of a degree, and it is portion after superlative degree. If you change it, you will have to follow that. Here is one of the before the biggest. I think before the superlative form, it has one of the. If in your sentence has one of the, you will have to write first very few. Okay, very few, and then you will have to write cities in Bangladesh means portion after superlative form, and then you will have to write in a verb. You will have to follow that. Here is, and in that sentence it change into are. Why it change here? It change only because of the very few and cities. They are the plural, and that's why it will be also plural. Okay, so I will write here as, and then the positive form of the superlative degree, and then another as, and after that the subject. Okay, so very few cities in Bangladesh are as big as Dhaka. So you will have to remember this verb. Okay, this verb is very factor to you. If you mistake in this verb, you will be eliminated. And okay, you will whenever you will write the verb, you will very carefully write it in a plural form. Okay, so change the sentences into positive degree. Here are some sentences. First of all, Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu was one of the greatest caliphs of Islam. So how we will change it? First of all, we will write very few, and then portion after a superlative degree. So very few caliphs of Islam, where it will change into where as great as Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu. Okay, can you write the answer of the sentences here? Can you write it now? Very quickly write it now. Okay, so I think you will, if you follow the rules of the sentences, you will get it very easily, and you will do it very easily. So here is another homework also. You will write it in your notebook and change it into positive degree according to the rules of the sentences. Okay, and I think you will very easily do it, and wish you all the best. And I think you are in your home and trying your best level to prepare yourself for the future. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz, and wait for my next class.